Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make music with ElevenLabs. In order to do so, here we are at ElevenLabs.io, and I'm finding by going through the sign up process that now it is asking to choose your platform. So we have the creative platform and the agents platform. We want music that's in the creative platform, so we're going to go ahead and continue with that. And let's just say, let's see here. Music. Where is music? There it is, right in front of us. Okay, so we have our plans here to choose from. $5 a month for the starter, which is not bad at all. And creator, $11 for 50% off. Now, let's just go ahead and continue forward. And here we are. So, pretty straightforward. Looks like it costs 2,700 credits for one song. Let's go ahead and try it out. Just keep it simple. Variants, we can choose 1 to 4. Duration, we can set auto 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. I like that. Sometimes you want something very specific, so having this as an option, that's really quite nice. Auto custom instrumental, we just want this to be instrumental. So now that we've done that, we'll hit generate. Okay, can we listen yet? No. So you can see the red circle, and it looks like it is kind of developing as we speak. A little bit different from Suno, where you can listen to the song right up front and then you can listen to it as it's playing, but it looks like we actually have to wait for that to finish. It's making a pretty good pace, so I think we'll be done here in just a moment. And we've also got 2 variants to listen to, and it looks like this one's already done, so we can listen to it. Let's go ahead and take a listen. Okay, so that is really quite nice, and we're going to download that. I really like the sound of that, and it says here that we need to upgrade to download music. Normally I would put this on the Discord channel, but looks like I got to upgrade to download the music. So you can create the music, but you can't download the music. Let's go ahead and take a listen to variation number 1. So really quite nice. 2 really strong examples. And we could take a look here in the middle to see that we have styles. We can exclude styles. We can modify the intro, the first theme, the build-up, the main hook, the bridge, the reprise hook, and the outro. So this is an interesting setup. It's a little bit different than what I'm used to with with Suno, but it seems as though we can edit. We do some basic edits here of our song here at the bottom. And if we click on, let's say if we click on this one here, we've got 6 styles. Okay. So here we can modify this. We can add in additional prompts. We can take out certain prompts if we want to capture a certain idea here. So that's kind of cool. It's an interesting way of going about it. So yeah, you've got your intro, your first theme, your build up, your main hook, and then you can go through each of these and create additional modifications. So if at a certain part in the song, you'd rather that it went more mellow, for example, let's say that the main hook here, we say, oh, we want the main hook to be a little bit more chill. So we've got the catchy lead melody, the punchy kick, the side chain bass, ambient only, soft piano, and vocals. So what we might want to do is we might want to remove catchy lead melody or punchy kick. Maybe we'll, instead of punchy kick, why don't we say mellow kick? And then we can hit save, and that, it looks like, is regenerating. Pending generation. Okay, so once we've done that, then here we could see that it generates, we have the generate button that's available. So let's go ahead and click that. So that's generating over here. It's going at a pretty fast pace. Let's take a listen. Well, I am not really discerning quite a difference, but then again, I don't know that we actually listen to the main hook up front. But I think that the idea is essentially that you can modify different sections of the song. Looks like here we've even got this button here, mark for generation. So we can pick the parts of our song that we want to regenerate. So it's a similar idea to what you have in Suno as far as replacing certain areas, but the fact that they kind of give you these sort of very specific sections that you can work within, that's an interesting difference and something that to take into consideration. If you use ElevenLabs and you haven't used the music yet, then maybe you want to do that. ElevenLabs has so much as far as sound effects and voice changing and all that kind of stuff. So the fact that it has music as well is really quite nice. But just bear in mind that the music part of it is actually part of the subscription. So if you want to use that, then you are going to need the subscription. So in addition to that, let's take a look here at our Discord. So over here on our Discord, if you go to our services section, you can see that we actually do a Suno music mastery training. Suno is our preferred platform when it comes to music generation. It's nice that ElevenLabs has that there. But if you're interested in taking things to the next level with Suno, let us know. In addition to that, we're also providing a course for AI music videos. In this course, we will take you through our process for creating an AI music video, from choosing your tools to video generation and lip sync. By the end of the course, you'll have all the fundamentals necessary to creating your own AI music video masterpieces. Ask about our training and services. For $30, you can gain access to that course. And that's all there is to it. If you're also interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, then you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.